Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today we have a mini bundle release. It's our Peppermint season release, and I just love it. It's super cute. So I have some cards to share with you, and we have some bundles available. So when you do buy this bundle, you get 5% off. We have a beautiful stencil. So this is the Peppermint Stripes background stencil designed by Call Me Crafty Al. So here's the stencil on the back and all Alicia's information where you can find her. We have the beautiful paper and matching ephemera designed by Teresa Russell, who's fresh and renewed with Teresa on YouTube. We've got the peppermint latte paper and the matching ephemera, so you can buy this as a bundle. I'm going to flip through the papers really quickly. You get 4 of each design, and then the ephemera. Let's take a closer look at the paper pad. So it's a 6x6 paper pad. You get 24 sheets, 4 of each design. I really love that because you don't have to feel like you need to hoard the paper, or if you like one side better than the other, you have 4 sheets of it. So I love that. I love how Teresa designs the paper pads. So I love the colors in this paper pad, the teals, the red, the pink, the white. I just love it. It's super cool and wintry, pepperminty. It's just perfect for your winter cards. And look at that cute little image there of the lady. There's so many cute images. I love all the little latte cups and the cupcakes, the little peppermint mochas. It's just a really pretty paper pad. Those swirls are really cool. This next one here, we've got some more latte cups with cupcakes, little lollipops, candy canes, little peppermint candies. And then we have like a pink version. This one's got some books on it. And then the other side has the lollipops. I love this one. It kind of reminds me of Target for some reason. But I just love the glittery stripes. And we have the stamp set, Peppermint Mocha Season stamp set, which is super cute. It's got your little peppermint mocha here, a little candy cane, a couple of peppermints, and we have some cookies and a gingerbread, and the sentiments read, "Move over pumpkin spice, here comes peppermint." So it's kind of like a little spin-off from our pumpkin spice season release. And then we've got Happy Peppermint Mocha Season and Peppermint Kisses and Gingerbread Wishes. So really fun. And we have the I Want It All bundle, so you can get all of it as a one bundle. This is not part of our box subscriptions, so if you are on our box subscriptions and you want this release, you'll need to go to the website and purchase it. I do expect this to sell out pretty quickly. We do have more bundles available this time, so I do have some of the items all listed individually, but those are very limited quantities. So here are the cards that I created, and I had so much fun. I just can't wait to create some more cards. So I made these mini slimline cards using the paper pad and the ephemera. I had these little Jolie stickers in my stash. You might have these. These are from a few years ago, I believe. And they're little candy canes. You might have some stickers or some puffy stickers or a poinsettia or something to put on the little corner here if you wanted to follow this design. So I did use the Cat Scrappiness wonky mini slimline die, and then the smaller one on the inside to stamp my sentiment. And then I just paired a little image here in the on the left hand side, and then I'd used some old Stampin' Up! Ribbon. I'm almost out of this, and I just tucked it in under the paper on both corners here, and then added a little sticker So I love how these turned out. And then the little one with the lady, so cute. So those are the paper and the ephemera. And then I did the stamp set 3 different ways. So I did this one with all black lines. I just love how bold and cute that looks. We've got the sentiment at the top, peppermint kisses and gingerbread wishes with the little slanted curve. You'll see the video tomorrow on this one, on how I put this one together. And I just arranged the images. Some are popped up, so super, super cute. There's a little image on the inside. This one here, I did a no line coloring technique. Really, I love the look of it. It looks so cool. I have a ribbon here at the bottom, little peppermint stripes, and my sentiment here at the top. I have a little cutout here to show the paper underneath, and then added some stickles and some flat clear sequins. So super fun. And then this one here, I used the stencil and I used the Lawn Fawn Fairy Dust paste. So this is in the shop if you want to pick this up. I just used this little spatula, and I love the way it looks. I like the white on white. Just gives it a little something something. The only thing I didn't like about this card is when I stamped the sentiment, I thought it was like more of a red, but it's more of like a brick red, and I don't really want that color. I didn't think it went with my design here. I thought it was more of like this color red. So if I would have had to do over, I would have picked a different red color. But we have our sentiment at the top, move over pumpkin spice, here comes peppermint, and then happy peppermint mocha season in the second panel. And then I added glitter to all the images. I embossed these images with white embossing powder, and then I colored these with my Zig Clean Color Rail Brush markers. And I added those sequins, and I also used a Pink and Main slimline die here for a scallop on top of this die. That's an MFT die. So I love that too. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these cards, and I hope you guys make lots of cards of your own using this wonderful collection. I'll have the links in the description box for you. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.